Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 3 times y plus 4 equals -17. Solving means isolating y on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The plus 4 keeps 3 times y from standing alone. Subtract 4 from both sides to remove it. That gives 3 times y equals -21. Three is multiplying y. To leave y alone, divide both sides by 3. Quick check. Substitute -7 for y. Both sides equal -17, so the equation balances. So, y equals -7.